Hello to all the YouTubers out there. This specifically video is for the two people first who want to start the YouTube channel and people who have started the YouTube channel but are not getting success. Now, I know that a lot of people are working in different companies, somebody are digital coaches, everybody in the world is doing something. This specific video is for the new YouTubers who wants to start a YouTube channel. I know there are, because as per YouTube, you need to have two policies. One is you should have 1000 subscribers and you should have 4000 watch hours. And if you calculate 4000 watch hours, then it's equivalent to 6 or 7 months of your time, or it can be even more than that, correct? And 1000 subscribers means your dedicated clients. So I'm going to show you some live results of some of the people who have worked for in the last 24 hours. What are the results I have received? So just stay there for the next 10 seconds and I'm going to show you live results of my clients so that you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to quickly show you some of the reports of my clients. As you can see in real time, in the last 48 hours, we have achieved 1,116 views in this channel. And I'll take another report of this client. So if I go another report here, you will see I'm showing you complete live reports that in this channel, if you see from the 11th of July, it was completely flat, and today is 9th of August. I started the campaign for this audience and she has received more than 250% more views in her channel in the last 28 days. We're showing as per the last 28 days. But if you see the graphic here, I started the campaign on the 7th of August, and you can see live reports here. So what I'm going to mean to say is that if you're going to start a YouTube channel or you're facing how to generate views, I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to personally guide you and I'm going to monetize a channel in the minimum of 21 days to a maximum of 30 days. So if you're willing to monetize your channel and know how to grow a channel in YouTube, I'm going to completely customize your channel and my team is going to help you to do it. So if you're interested, do connect to me in my profile. You can connect to me and directly message me. I am interested and I'm going to connect with you personally. I'm going to see your channel and I'm going to give you all the hacks that's going to help you grow on YouTube. So I hope of seeing you and I'll connect with you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and all the best for all the new YouTubers out there who are going to start their own YouTube channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. And by the way, I am Arindam. I am a YouTube specialist. I am a